Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to Lexia Core 5. At the beginning of the year, you will receive a card. On one side, it will have your username and password, and on the other side, it will have a QR code. When you get on the Lexia website, which will already be pulled up on the computers in the classroom, or by clicking the app on the iPads, you will then come to Login with Clever, or you will enter your username and password. If you log in with Clever, you will click Login with Clever and just scan your QR code with the camera. Otherwise, if you need to enter in your username and password for maybe some reason the camera isn't working, you will enter the first letter of your first name and then your last name as your login and your password. You also will have that card, so you will not forget what your username and password is. Double check that you click show so that you know your username and password are identical, and then click login. It will ask you, is this your name? And if it is your name, you'll click yes. If it's not your name, you need to click no and check for typos or somewhere where you made a mistake in typing. You will now be brought to your home screen for your Lexia, whatever level you are on personally. Okay, here's where you look at how many minutes you have for the week. You typically have to reach 60 minutes per week, and then how many units you have for the week. You typically have to reach 12 units every week. You have to get your minutes and your units. So then you'll click this arrow to go on to your level. You can watch this intro, or if you don't have time, you can use this arrow to skip it. I'm going to go ahead and skip it. Once you get to this page, you will have your advanced word chains, multisyllable words, simple suffixes, sight words, or building sentences. You will click on one of these and then start working. Now you know how to log in and use Lexia.